Hello friends, this is Amit Parmar and you are welcome back to Modern JavaScript. We have seen how to declare variable in previous video, but when variable is declared, it holds certain data types. So today we will see the data types. As we have seen, JavaScript is dynamically typed scripting language. We can store different types of values in a variable. For example, initializing a variable, we have number stored, and just after that we changed it to string. That means data types are exist in JavaScript but not bound with the variables. As per the ECMAScript standards, 8 data types have been defined. They are numbers, big integer, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, and object. In most languages, there are two major types of data type. One is primitive and second one is non-primitive. Primitive data types refers to a single value. Means you can store a single value in a variable at a time. Among of 8 data types, 7 are primitives, which are number, big integer, string, boolean, null, undefined, and symbol. On other hand, non-primitive data types can have multiple or different data types stored in a variable at a time. That is possible with the object. Now let's have a brief idea about all data types. First one is number. So the number data types have either integer or float value. Mathematical operations are possible on number data types. Beside the numbers, there are some special number values which are in infinity and 9. Infinity represents the mathematical value which is greater than any number. For example, when you use power functions like 2 power of 1000, it will return the numeric value. But as you change it to 3 power of 1000, it will return an infinite. NaN means not a number and it represents the computational error. Whenever you try to compute or calculate those values which are not number, you will have an error which is returns NaN. For example, dividing a string value with a number or multiplying undefined with a number. Whenever you find NaN and not a number as a result, make sure there is something wrong with your number. Big integer. The number data types have a limitations that it can only store a value which is less than 2 power of 53 minus 1 or greater than negative 2 power of 53 minus 1. That means big integer was introduced after the limitations, but it is not compatible with the Internet Explorer. Whenever you want to define big integer, just append small n to the number, or you can call big integer function which will create a big integer value from argument part. String is anything wrapped by single quotes or double quotes or backticks. There is no difference between single quotes and double quotes, but backticks has some little different. You can embed or concat values or expression into string very easily. We know it is possible with the single quotes and double quotes also, but in a backticks you don't need to break the strings to embed or concat values. You just need to add dollar, curly brackets, and your expression or values. That's it. Boolean. The Boolean data type can store only two values. It is either true or false. You can also find this type while comparing the values with the logical operators. It will always return true or false. Null. The null data type contains null value only. It means the value assigned to the variable is empty or nothing, or the value to the variable is unknown. Same like the null type, undefined type has also one value which is undefined, but with different meaning. In an undefined data type, you just need to define the variable. Don't need to assign undefined every time, because undefined is the default value of every variable when they are declaring in JavaScript. If you don't assign anything to the variable, it is by default undefined. Objects. Object is a collection of property or a pair of key and value, where key can be string or symbol and value can be anything. Anything means variable, function, or object. We can say property are a file stored in a rack of object. You can declare object in two ways, either by object constructor or by object literals. Symbols. Symbols are used to create unique identifier like a hidden property which cannot be accessible or overwritten. Symbol can be created by use of symbol function. You can also give description, as symbols are used to create a unique identifier for a key of property where two symbols cannot be same. It will always differ. So guys, this is all about data types in JavaScript. See you in the next video. Till then, share this video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.